Hey everybody, let's take a moment here, and what we're going to do is lamp and assemble a overhead switch for a Season 3-4 replica. What these switches are, they have to be assembled from Switchcraft LUS series parts. From left to right, you'll see a bag from LED-switch.com where I get my pre-resistored 12-volt LEDs. I'm using, as you can see, diffused clear colored LEDs, the switch body, the switch itself, and the LED. This is one of the most important parts in order to not have to wire a resistor in line with all the wiring that has to go in the back. I purchased pre-resistored LEDs. Inside this LED bulb you can see where the resistor is actually located. This way I can just hook 12 volts straight to it and it'll work just fine. Looking inside the switch body, you'll see a circular chamber at the bottom of which is 2 spring clips which will hold the LED into place. On the rear of the switch body, you'll see 4 contacts, 2 of which are the single pole, single throw switch, and on the inside there are 2 lamp contacts. We're going to now make a way so that we can determine which will be negative and which side will be positive. And to do this, I'm just going to take my wire cutters and make a little mark on one side of the switch housing. Be sure that in all these switch bodies that you're consistent where you place the mark. On mine there is a number on the back of the switch body that I always face down so that the negative mark is on the left side. Moving on to the LED, we need to trim a little bit of the leads off. There are 2 flat spots in these leads that I cut about a 1/16 of an inch right below them where I have this blue line. Carefully drop the LED into the switch housing, making sure the negative side of the LED corresponds to the mark that you made on the switch casing. If you have everything lined up, you should be able to push the LED down into the spring clips. You'll feel it kind of have some resistance as it gets pushed down inside. Using a 12-volt power supply, you should be able to connect the black leads to the negative side, the positive leads to the positive side on the back of the switch casing, as I showed you before. Turn it on, and you should be seeing what you see here. The switch cap just goes right on the face of the switch body. Click it down into place, and you're done.